Hey there, chefs. Welcome to this episode of Sully's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you an original recipe of one of my favorite desserts. This recipe is sometimes known as the anarchist pie, the shoemaker's homonym. Yes, you guessed it, the cobbler. I love making cobblers because they are so easy to just create and assemble. I can make cobblers all day. I don't even have to look when I'm making a cobbler because I just assembled one during that intro.
Well, that wouldn't be a very helpful episode. Let me rewind and take you through some of the prep. Welcome to Sully's Kitchen, where the food is sometimes good. Step 1, preheat the oven to 375. I'm calling the first of our 3 layers the fat foundation. I'm measuring out just a 1/3 cup of neutral vegetable oil. You could use a different neutral oil or just a stick of melted butter. This will go in our 9x13 baking dish. You can be a little flexible on the cookware dimensions. Cobbler ain't picky, folks. I'm calling our second layer the basic batter. We need 1 cup of self-rising flour, which is just a cup of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Whisk that homogeneously, that is generously until homogeneous. Now add 1 cup of any type of milk. I'm going coconut milk to keep it vegan, and stir just until no more dryness remains. I named the third and final layer Good Goop. I encourage you to go out to the grocery store and just get a good deal on fruit. Often the only ingredient you'll need to buy for a cobbler is the fruit. The other ingredients you might just have around. I found a great deal on peaches, so I got 4 cups of fresh peaches, 1 cup of sugar, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. You just need to agitate it a bit, mix it up just a little, and those sugars will have plenty of time to combine and thicken in the oven. Fat foundation, basic batter, good goop, ready to go.
We now have our 3 layers prepped and ready for assembly. This is actually going to transition into the intro shot. This is one continuous shot. I am going to show the intro again, but I'm going to zoom out so you can actually see what I'm doing this time. Let me just get prepped for the intro. Hey there, chefs. Welcome to this episode of Sully's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you an original recipe of one of my favorite desserts.
Layer 1, fat foundation deployed.
This recipe is sometimes known as the anarchist pie, the shoemaker's homonym.
Put that basic batter right on top of the oil. Don't stir it.
Yes, you guessed it, the cobbler. I love making cobblers because they are so easy to just create and assemble. I can make cobblers all day.
Final layer, good goop, right on top again. Do not stir.
I don't even have to look when I'm making a cobbler because I just assembled one during that intro. All we have to do is put that in the oven at 375 for about 45 minutes until that basic batter rises up to the top and gets nice and golden.
I flattened the peaches down a bit, and now this is ready to pop into our preheated oven.
Sully pro tip, you can hit it with a little broil before it comes out to get that really nice color on the top.
My cobbler's nice and golden on top, about 45 minutes, but each cobbler's different. Let's check out that cobbler.
This peach cobbler looks amazing. I'm so ready to eat it. My ice cream's melting. I better dig in. This is so good, especially if you consider the effort you put in and the value that comes out. That's crazy. Feel free to like this video and share it with some of your lazy baker friends. Also, leave a comment on what your favorite kind of cobbler is. Hey, thanks for stopping by Sully's Kitchen.